Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove it. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the users and accounts section, then tap add account, select Google. Of course you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter email or phone number. Then you have to enter your password. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. In the following step you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Like if you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want, disable this switcher here and tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select it here and then tap on 3 dots and select remove account and confirm it. So easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.